Greetings all, Timberlake here. Today I'm going to show you how I solve a diabolical Sudoku puzzle. The puzzle I solve in this video can be found on sudoku.org.uk. I'll put the link in the description below. This particular puzzle is the Daily Sudoku competition for February 21st, 2021, and it's rated diabolical. It's number 5705. According to the website, 267 people entered the daily competition, and it took them an average of 25 minutes to correctly complete this puzzle. Let's see how we do. And with that, it's solving time. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is show all the candidates. Like I've said before, really can't solve these difficult diabolical puzzles without focusing on how to eliminate candidates. So I have a 3 naked single there, 9 naked single. 2, I got a 9 hidden single right there. 1 3 1 3 9 1 3 6 9. Okay, with the 6s here, we got a point pair, so I can get rid of that 6. I can get rid of that 6. At least 2 6. Oops. Leaves 2 6s up there. We got a 1 4 7 1 4 7 1 4. The 4s can only be right there in block 1. You can see here 4 8. That's a naked pair. This has to be a 1. That has to be a 7. And get rid of all the other 4s and 8s in row 5. Means this has to be a 5, 6, 5. Looking up column 3, that's a hidden single 5. Now I'm going to scan through and see, okay, there's an 8, got a 1 7 1 7. No more 7s in this part of column 5. That's good. The 4 is now naked. He's a 4, 8, and a 4. 2 6 1 2 6 1 2. This 8 is a naked hidden single, and now the 6 is a hidden single. Making good progress here, as always. 2 9 2 9 means I can make this is going to be an 8, 1 4 5, 3 and an 8. So far, not too hard. We've been able to solve most of this puzzle with pretty simple pointing pairs and hidden naked singles. Okay, what I'm looking for now, we have a 4 6 4 6 9. Trying to see if there's like an XYZ wing. I don't see one of those. 2 3 2 3 5 and 2 3. Okay, so yeah, the 5 is a naked or hidden single. And all the 5s are solved. Now I'm going to glance. Basically, I'll look through the candidates here and see if there's any other hidden singles that I might have missed. I'm looking through, don't see any just yet. I'm also going to, by kind of scanning through, I can also tell if there might be some pointing pairs. So right here I do see that is a hidden single 8. Okay, and let's see how that affects the rest of the 8s. The 8s are all solved. All right, and to kind of speed things up, we'll just go start looking at our filters here. Look at my 1s. Okay, I have a finned well, I have an X-wing. That's probably the most productive. So let's look at our X-wing here. I'm going to color the candidates. So in X-wing, what you're looking at is we have two rows, row 3 and 7. There's only two possibilities for one in both of those, and then it lie in the same column. So that makes our X-wing. And now we can eliminate all the other ones in those columns that are not in rows 3 and 7, because it's going to be a 1 here and here. It's going to be here and here. So that can't be a 1. That can't be a 1. That can't be a 1. Now, I can get rid of the coloring and see how does that help us. Well, it helps us quite a bit. All right, did we leave ourselves with some eliminations that we can make? No, I don't see anything else just yet. Move on to the 2s. I don't see anything with the 2s. Move on to the 3s. I got a strong link here with this 2-3 naked pair, but I don't see how I can link that up with anything just yet. And okay, so what we have here, we have a 2-string kite, also we call it turbofish. This is going to be kind of nice. So I will show you the kite. Basically, you have a 2-string kite. You're going to look into a block, like block 1 here. And then you're looking for strong links for the numbers going out. So this cell here has a strong link 3 with this 3, because it's the only other 3 that's in column 2. This cell has a 3. There's only one other 3, so it has a strong link with this 3 right here. Now, because we have basically a strong link between these two, a weak link here, and a strong link to this, anything that these two end candidates can see, we can eliminate the 3. And the reason being is both of these can't be 3 in here because it's in the same block. So this or this has to be a 3. So we can eliminate the 3 right here. How does that help us? Not too much just yet. But it's cool to see that. Okay, looking at the 4s, I can't make elimination with the 4s, and I can't do any unique rectangles just yet with the 4s because there's a little too many of those still left in the puzzle. Going to the 6s. Same thing. Can't make any eliminations there. We'll go to the 7s. 1 7 1 7 1 7 1 7, but they're not connected to each other. Can't do anything about that just yet. And I'll go to the 9s. And with the 9s, I have a strong link with this 9. I have strong links between these two 9s. Then 2 9s in each of these 2 blocks. But I don't see anything I can do just yet. And then I'll check the BVCs and see there's quite a few in here, but I don't think I'm going to make eliminations based on just the by value cells. So that's what I like to do. I like to go look for the kites, like I just showed you. I look for the X-wings. It'll be pretty obvious to spot. And then maybe any hidden naked signals that I might have missed, are obvious. Now I'm going to be looking for wings, X, Y wings, X wings, maybe W wings. So what I'm going to be looking for is kind of 2 and 3 cells that that have bi-value cells, that have conjugate pairs, that have cells in common. and we'll see what we can do. So like the 2 6 1 2 6 right here, I want to see if there's like a 1 6 or 1 2 or 1 6 that connects out here. There's not. This 1 6 does not connect. It doesn't help us with this because it doesn't see this cell directly. This 2 6, and there's a 2 3. So do we have a 3 6 candidate somewhere? And the answer is no. But there could be. This is a good setup for like a W wing. So let me go back here. I actually will look a little bit for certain W wings. So for a W wing to exist, you're going to need the same pair of I-value cells that are going to be in the same chute. So a 3 in a row or column, but they can't be in the same row or column as each other. So right now I'm trying to see, and I don't see any that really fits the description of what I'm looking for. These 1-7s aren't going to help us because there's nothing else in this particular block that we'll be able to connect to. Okay, so decided to do a quick check there. Got this 1 3 9 and 1 3. So now see, is there a 1 9 or a 1 3 that I can connect with and make some eliminations? No. There's quite a bit of candidates right here. One, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 6, 1, 6, 4, 6, 9, and 4, 6. Interesting puzzle. Really kind of curious. I don't quite see just yet how I'm going to solve this particular one, but I feel like I will get some clues here shortly. 6 7 9, 6 7 9. Back to the ones. Some interesting links here. Strong and weak links going on. Looking at the 2s. Then back at the 3s. Okay, not quite seeing what I'm hoping to get out of this particular puzzle just yet. It will come to me though. That's what I like about these diabolicals. It's a little bit harder to figure out. You gotta dig a little bit deeper. But I have full confidence I will find what is the solution here. Okay. One, two, two, three. Seven, one, one, seven, seven, three, three, one. I'm looking at some XY chain action. Okay, 7, 1, 1, 3, 3, 7. 1, 7. Okay. All right. We got something here. Let's start here with this. I'll call it a little bit different. So XY chain, you can work just with the buy value cells, and you're going to connect them with strong and weak links. So 7, strong link to the 1, weak to the 1, strong to the 3. And I'll do a different color for the intermediates. 7 to 1, 1 to the 3. Three to 7. 7 to the 1, and 1 to the 7. And so what I'm saying here is that these are all connected by value cells. 7 to the 1, 1 to the 3, 3 to the 7, 7 to the 1, 1 to the 7. Anything these two 7s can see can be eliminated. So that cannot be a 7. That can't be a 7. Which means this is the only 7 left. Which makes that a 1, makes that a 2, that a 3, that a 7. That's a 1, that's a 7, that's a 3. That has to be a 1 because those are 6, 9 pair. So we kind of clean up the whole top. 2 down here, and then there's 1 and a 6. 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 9, 4, 9. Okay, well, here's our 9, here's our 4. Yeah, I think this is gonna crack this puzzle. Was it X? Oops, excuse me. Didn't mean to click on that. These are all now naked singles. 9, 2, 9, 6, 4, and 3. Sudoku has been solved. Well, how'd you do? Let me know in the comments below. Did you find some kind of different way to solve this puzzle? I'd love to hear about it. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You want to see more content like this? I like trying different puzzles, the challenge, and also kind of show some of these techniques. Hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching.